Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss the chapter Resources and Development. What is resources? Everything which is available in our environment and satisfy human needs is called resource. It should be technologically accessible, economically feasible and culturally acceptable. Development, the process of improving qualities and abilities of all human beings is called development. Classification of resources. Resources are classified on four types. First, on the base of origin. Biotic resources. The resources which are obtained from biosphere and have life are called biotic resources. For example, human beings, forests, etc. Abiotic resources. Abiotic resources composed of all non-living things such as rocks and minerals. Second is on the base of exhaustibility. Renewable resources. The resources which can be renewed or replaced by physical, chemical or mechanical change are called renewable or replenishable resources. For example, wind energy, solar energy, etc. Non-renewable resources. The resources which cannot be renewed or replenished by physical, chemical or mechanical change are called non-renewable resources. These resources take a long time in their formation. For example, minerals, fossil fuels, etc. Third is on the base of ownership. Individual resources. The resources which are owned privately by an individual or a particular person is called an individual resources. For example, land, house, our vehicles, etc. Community owned resources. These resources are the resources which are owned by a full community, that is, every people in a community can access to these resources. For example, picnic spots, parks, playgrounds, etc. National resources. In these resources, any person living in a particular country can access to these resources. For example, roads, railways, etc. International resources. In these resources, any person living in any country can access to these resources. For example, head office of UNA, Pacific Ocean, etc. Fourth is on the basis of status of development. Potential resources. The resources which are found in a region but are not in use. For example, a child who is not speaking English right now, it is not important that he will not speak English in the future. It is his potential, but he is not using that. Developed resources. The resources which are fully developed and their quantity and quality has been determined for the utilization. For example, information technology. Top resources. The resources which are available but we cannot use due to the lack of technology. For example, the use of hydrogen and oxygen in many parts of the country is not being fully used. Reserve resources. In these resources, the resources are reserved for the future use. For example, water in dams are stored for the future use, forest, etc. Thus, the sustainable development. In this type of development, the resources are used in such a way that the present needs are also satisfied and the resources are also stored for the future generation. For example, water